Hello and welcome. Today we are installing our AC Infinity CO2 Controller. This system is designed to provide precise control over the carbon dioxide levels in your grow, which is crucial to stimulate vigorous plant growth. The CO2 controller comes with two plugs, one for the regulator and one for the fan or additional device. The AC Infinity CO2 regulator plays a key role in delivering carbon dioxide consistently. Paired with the AC Infinity CO2 regulator, this system provides a complete solution for your CO2 management. It is important that the fittings are threaded down properly and the tank is secured to the wall. You can now mount your CO2 controller and plugs to the wall and run your wires. I mounted my control to the wall using a hammer and nails, but you can use your preferred method. You can now run the hose for your CO2 regulator into the room. It helps if there's somebody on the other side to help guide the hose through the hole. Remove the protective rubber cap and firmly push the hose onto the CO2 regulator, ensuring a secure connection. And just run your line. Now let's look at the control panel that features its settings. I'm going to have to learn how to set this up. With the AC Infinity CO2 controller installed, your plants are going to thrive in this enriched environment. This system is a great addition to any garden, providing the precise control your plants need to grow strong and healthy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to stay updated on all my future projects.